Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into a comprehensive Jsonpath tutorial, designed for beginners with plenty of code examples. We'll cover the fundamentals, common operators, advanced filtering, and even look at implementation in different programming languages. What is Jsonpath? Jsonpath is a query language for JSON, JavaScript object notation. Think of it as xpath, XML path language, but for JSON. It allows you to select specific elements within a JSON structure without having to write complex code to traverse the entire object. It's like a powerful search tool specifically for JSON data. Why use Jsonpath? Simplified data extraction. Extract only the data you need, avoiding unnecessary parsing and iteration. Readability. Jsonpath expressions are often more concise and easier to understand than equivalent code. Flexibility. Allows dynamic selection of data based on conditions. Efficiency. Some Jsonpath implementations are optimized for performance. Integration. Many programming languages and libraries provide built-in Jsonpath support. JSON basics, a quick refresher. Before we get into Jsonpath, let's ensure we're all on the same page with JSON itself. JSON represents data as a hierarchy of key-value pairs. It's composed of objects, collections of key-value pairs enclosed in curly braces. Keys are always strings, enclosed in double quotes, and values can be primitive types, strings, numbers, booleans, null, or other JSON objects or arrays. Arrays. Ordered lists of values enclosed in square brackets. Values in an array can be any JSON data type, strings, numbers, booleans, null, objects, or other arrays. Primitive types. String, text enclosed in double quotes, example hello. Number, integers or floating point numbers, example 123, 3.14. Boolean, true or false. Null, represents the absence of a value. Example JSON data. Let's use the following JSON data throughout this tutorial. This represents a library with books. Basic Jsonpath syntax and operators. Here are the fundamental building blocks of Jsonpath expressions. $, root object represents the root object of the JSON document. All Jsonpath expressions start with $. Dot notation used to access child elements within an object using the key. For example, $.library.name would access the value associated with the name key within the library object. Bracket notation used to access child elements within an object, alternative to dot notation, or to access elements within an array using their index, starting from 0. For example, $.library name is equivalent to $.library.name. $.library.books 0 accesses the first book in the books array. Wildcard selects all members of an object or all elements in an array. Deep scan / recursive descent selects all members regardless of their location in the JSON structure. This can be useful for finding data nested deep within the document, but use it with caution as it can be inefficient if not used carefully. Union operator selects multiple paths. For example, $.library.location city, state selects both city and state. Start end step, array slicing selects a subset of an array. Start is the starting index, inclusive, end is the ending index, exclusive, and step is the increment. If step is omitted, it defaults to 1. Examples using basic operators. Let's apply these operators to our example JSON data. 1. Get the name of the library asterisk. Result. 2. Get the city where the library is located asterisk. Result. 3. Get the title of the first book asterisk. Result. 4. Get all the books, as an array. Result. 5. Get the titles of all the books asterisk. Result. 6. Using union operator. Result. 7. Array slicing, get the first 2 books. Result. 8. Deep scan, find any value that has New York. Result. Filtering with conditional expressions. Jsonpath's real power comes from its ability to filter data based on conditions. Filtering is done using inside bracket notation. Asterisk, at dot property condition value, asterisk applies a condition to a property. The at symbol represents the current object being evaluated. Asterisk conditions asterisk you can use comparison operators like equals, not equals, less than, greater than, equals, less than or equals, greater than or equals. Asterisk logical operators asterisk you can combine conditions using and, or. Asterisk regular expressions asterisk some implementations support regular expression matching using equals. Asterisk exists, asterisk checks if a property exists. Asterisk length, asterisk returns the length of an array or string. Asterisk in asterisk check if an element exists within an array. Examples using filtering. 1. Get all books that cost more than $10 asterisk. Result. 2. Get the titles of books written by Douglas Adams asterisk. Result. 3. Get all science fiction books asterisk. Note, the exact operator, contains, in, etc., for array membership might vary depending on the Jsonpath implementation. Some use in, others contains. Check your specific library's documentation. Some require a workaround, see the Advanced Topics section. Result. 4 books published after 1970 and cheaper than 15 asterisk. Result. 5. Get books where the genres array has exactly 2 elements asterisk. Result. 6. Get books that contain a catalog version in the root object. Result. Advanced Jsonpath topics. Asterisk functions, implementation specific. Some Jsonpath implementations offer built-in functions for more complex operations. These may include functions for string manipulation, date calculations, or more sophisticated data transformations. Consult your Jsonpath library's documentation. Asterisk custom functions asterisk some implementations allow you to define your own custom functions for use within Jsonpath expressions. This gives you tremendous flexibility. Asterisk array membership workarounds asterisk as mentioned earlier, in or contains might not be universally supported for array membership. A common workaround involves using regular expressions, assuming your implementation supports them. For example, to check if a book has the science fiction genre. This regex approach searches for science fiction as a substring within the genres array, which works because the array elements are strings. A more robust, though more complex, workaround involves using a combination of and filtering if your implementation supports deep scan and filtering. This searches for any element within the genres array that is equal to science fiction. Asterisk variables asterisk some Jsonpath implementations allow you to define and use variables within your expressions. This can simplify complex queries and improve readability. The syntax for variables differs between implementations. Jsonpath implementations in different languages, with examples. Let's explore how to use Jsonpath in a few popular programming languages. Keep in mind that you'll need to install the appropriate Jsonpath library for your chosen language. 1. Python. *library *Jsonpath ng, or Jsonpath_rw, an older but still viable option. 2. JavaScript, Node.js. *library *Jsonpath plus, or Jsonpath, less feature-rich. 3. Java. *library *Jsonpath. 4. C. *library *Newtonsoft.json, for JSON parsing, and a Jsonpath library like Jsonpath.net. Best practices. *Be specific. Avoid using deep scan, unless absolutely necessary. The more specific your Jsonpath expression, the more efficient it will be. Test thoroughly. Always test your Jsonpath expressions with various JSON data structures to ensure they return the expected results. Understand implementation differences. Be aware that Jsonpath implementations can vary in their supported features and syntax. Consult the documentation for your chosen library. Error handling. Implement error handling to gracefully handle cases where a Jsonpath expression does not match any data. Use a Jsonpath tester tool. There are several online Jsonpath tester tools available that can help you experiment with and debug your expressions before implementing them in your code. Examples include https://jsonpath.com/ https://jsonpath.com https://www.jsonschema.net/ https://www.jsonschema.net offers Jsonpath testing in their online editor. Conclusion. Jsonpath is a valuable tool for extracting data from JSON documents. By mastering the basic syntax and operators, filtering techniques, and understanding implementation differences, you can significantly simplify your data processing workflows. Remember to always consult the documentation for your chosen Jsonpath library for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Practice with different JSON structures to build your proficiency. Good luck.